Properties and proportioning of mortar. Functions of mortar. Mortar makes a strong bond which in turn increases the stability of the structure and distribute load evenly. When masonry leaks, it is usually through the mortar joints. Resistance strain penetration depends largely on the strength of the bond between the masonry unit and the mortar. Irregular brick dimensions and shape can be corrected with a good mortar joint. Mobility of mortar. Mortar should be in plastic state while being handled by trowel. When mortar is placed between the bricks, it should flow through all the parts of bricks layer to remove the air voids. Water retentively in mortar is the property that resists rapid loss of water due to hydrations and absorbance by masonry units. Ensure enough water to prevent shrinkage. Inadequate amount of water will make bonds weak and imperfect. Wet red bricks to control water absorption before applying mortar. Never wet concrete masonry unit as bond strength decreases. Mixing mortar usually involves mixing small amounts by hand in the mortar. Take care to mix all ingredients thoroughly to obtain a uniform mixture. Mix all dry materials together until uniform color is obtained before adding water. Cone the pile and add water to mix. Ensure all tools are free of hardened mortar mix and dirt by immersing them in water when not in use. Begin by pulling dry mix into water until a material is thoroughly blended. Precautions while mixing. Use a mixing dry, 10 square feet size for mixing. Workability of mortar that stiffens due to evaporation by thoroughly remixing it with additional water. Discard any mortar stiffened by initial setting. Use mortar within 2.5 hours after the final mixing.